She looks good except one part. What up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're gonna be changing the look of the Mustang with a quick $20 fix, hopefully. So let me show you what the issue is. As you all know, convertible cars are beautiful to look, like to this part, but when you see the roof faded and maybe like messed up, it kind of takes away from the whole car. Eyesore. And as you can see, this one has faded away. It's now black, it's almost gray. As you can see, that's why you never see me show the pictures with this car top up, because it's no bueno. And also looks like my top has been changed before. Not the top, just the rear window. As you can see, this thing is coming apart, so I'm gonna have to replace this bad boy in upcoming future. And it's also ripped right here, and see, this is where the water goes in. And you can see somebody who molested this top used the staples but didn't get them all the way in. It's like an amateur did it, so you can see all the staples here. But what I want to do today is I want to try to get a color close to being black, and I'm going to be accomplishing that by forever black top. I got this on Amazon or eBay, I'm not sure where, but I think it's around like 12, 15 or 20 bucks. So hopefully this will change your look. So I'm gonna start applying it and see what we get. So let's start it. All right, so let's see what we get in the kit. Actually, I just checked it. I paid 17 bucks for it. So you get a dye. So I guess this thing could be like spilled on a car. And all you need to do is just like wet rag and just to get it off. And it comes with a applicant. It's a foam, so I guess you're supposed to dab the foam with this and then go on the top. Pretty much that's it. Two things, and lasts up to 12 months. So we'll definitely put it to the test. So let's start applying. Here's a better view of the top being gray. See what we can do about it. All right, let's try this. I kind of shook it, so let's see what happens. All right, let's start on this corner right here. Man, this already looks better. All right. Look at the difference already. So this dries in 15 minutes. However, it's cold in the garage. So we'll see how long is it gonna take to dry. And now I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse. All right, I applied one coat. It's drying. I think I'm gonna have to go with the second coat, but I am not sure. Might as well just go with the second coat just to bring more black to it. But is it pure black? No, but we'll see when it dries out. Second coat is applied. Still wet, kind of went faster this time to make sure I get it all even coating on everything, because I didn't want to get like one side wet, one side dry and have an overlap, so I kind of just went all over it. Let's give it a time to dry and we'll compare it to see what the difference is. All right, here's the finished product. I did apply 2 coats and actually came out better than I was expecting. I thought it was just gonna be like one of those cheap things that don't work, but this thing actually works and the top looks super good. I know the sun is down, it's kind of hard to see it like fully, but damn, it does look really, really good. There's a shady side. There we go. This is much better. I love it. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.